everybody. Welcome back. Pardon me for my break of voice. I'm a bit under the weather, and so I sound almost like a man, so pardon me. But it's super great to be gracing your screens this morning, and I hope that you will get and interact with us on all our social media platforms. My name is Asieduwaa Akumia, and as usual, it's time for a very great conversation. And now, I know that times are hard. I know that it's quite difficult even in current Ghana, looking at the prices of goods and services on the market. You can't even save. If you're earning, let's say, about 3,000 Ghana cedis, you're looking at, you're spending this, you're spending that. Before you realize, in a day, you've spent a little over 1,000 Ghana cedis. So how are you expected to live on 3,000 Ghana cedis for an entire month? But regardless, you need to also put some money away for rainy days. It's imperative you do that because you might never know. Very popular writer, the writer who wrote this book, Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, she did say something that she found or she saw that rock bottom became a solid foundation for her to rebuild herself. And so what is the foundation that you are falling on, or something that you could fall on in times that are quite difficult or quite hard? And so today our conversation is on insurance. What is it you know about insurance? I know that maybe you've heard about it, but what are the numerous or the various policies that could work very well with you that you could be a part of? And so I have seated with me this morning some representatives from Coronation Insurance, and they're here to talk about it with us. I'll give them the opportunity to introduce themselves to us this morning. Ladies first, a very beautiful lady. If I tell you what happened backstage, you later. Let me just leave her. So, good morning to you.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
My name is Sheila Ami Adinadje. I work with Coronation Insurance, Marketing and Communication.
Marketing and Communication, all right. All right, so a gentleman here.
Yes, my name is Felix Boateng.
Okay.
I'm the head of underwriting and policy fulfillment.
Okay, all right. And Babangida.
Okay, so morning everyone, morning viewers. My name is Kelvin Atiapah, head of customer experience and digitization in Coronation Insurance Ghana.
Okay, great. Now let's talk about Coronation Insurance. What is it?
Okay, so I would like to start by saying that Coronation Insurance, formerly known as WAPIC, was already existing for the past 16 years. We rebranded to Coronation Insurance 4 years now. That was from latter part in 2020 till now. So the name itself is Coronation Insurance Ghana. It is one of the leading insurance companies in Ghana. And again, as I said, we were birthed in 2008. Till now, we are 16 years. We have a wide range of policies or products that are in existence. And then we also want to ensure that we have the best customer experience as possible. Again, we are part of an ecosystem, or let me say we are wholly owned by the Coronation Insurance PLC, which operates in Nigeria.
That's incredible. Yeah. For the sake of people who wouldn't really have an understanding to what insurance is, can you please brush a little bit on the top for us to really understand what insurance is? What does it mean to be insured?
Okay, so basically, when we talk about insurance, we are looking at some of the risks that as human beings we encounter on a daily basis. So insurance is like a pool that as a community, we all put something little in it so that if one person is being affected by an unforeseen event or an accident, then we go into the pool and then take some of the money to compensate the person, to bring the person back to the position he was immediately before the accident.
Okay. So in a situation where you are in dire need of monies because you've been hospitalized or you have to go through an emergency surgery, insurance, if you're insured, you can go into that COFEX and say that, okay, I have monies here, so that money can cover up for that bill.
Yes.
Okay, incredible. Now, Kevin did mention some policies that you have with Coronation. Will Sheila help us with that?
Okay.
our various policies?
Thank you.
Yes, please.
So Coronation underwrites motor and non-motor insurance policy. So with our motor policies, we underwrite comprehensive insurance, we underwrite third party, and then we offer a specialized fleet insurance. So with the non-motor insurance, we underwrite marine insurance, personal accident insurance, where you spoke of when you encounter an accident and then you need some money to, exactly. And then we also underwrite, that mentioned marine insurance.
Yes, you mentioned
so marine insurance, personal accident insurance, home insurance.
So what is the marine insurance?
So marine insurance, we insure cargoes, those we import in. Then, So we insure cargoes and all. Yeah.
Okay. So run us through again. So marine insurance.
So marine insurance, home insurance.
Home insurance.
Personal accident.
Personal accidents.
Yeah.
So when you say home insurance, what is that one as well?
So home insurance, you insure your home. If you're a homeowner, you insure the home and then its interior, everything inside.
Oh.
Yeah.
How is that?
It's content.
So basically, for home insurance, you know, we have basically two people who probably lives in a home. One will be the homeowner, the person who owns the building, and then someone who rents. You know, so probably we are talking about the person who doesn't own the building, but is renting.
Yeah. So landlord and a tenant.
Yeah, landlord and tenant. So the landlord will be interested in the building. You know, want to insure the building against perils like, let's say, fire, flood, and other, you know, associated perils, which insurance there.
Okay.
But for the tenant, you are looking at the content that you have in the building. So your dresses.
So the things you brought into the building.
The building.
Okay.
Your televisions, your refrigerators, all the content that you have can be insured against perils like fire, like theft, and accidental damages.
Incredible. This sounds very... Because I had never heard of it. Seriously, I had never heard of that. Because usually when you hear insurance, people mostly think about the fact that, oh, in case somebody is sick or somebody has an accident, the person can go into that context and then have that bill covered.
So in Ghana, we have two different insurance companies running. We have the non-life companies and then we have the life companies.
Non-life and life.
So the life deals with the life of the person, you know, death and other educational policies. But for the non-life, that's the general. We normally look at property insurances. So we are looking at motor insurance, we are looking at home insurance, we are looking at Joy Prime. You can insure everything. I'm sure everything here is being insured.
Equipment.
All the equipment here, the building is being insured.
Also, so that's what Coronation is.
Yes,
the non-life insurance.
Yes.
Oh, that's incredible. So you at home, you can insure your properties, your personal properties, your dresses, your wardrobe, your TV, your fridge. Is that all?
All of
it.
Every content that you have, including your wigs, can be insured.
Okay, I like it. I like where this is going. I really like it. But this is the point where I bring in, I know that maybe you have heard some numerous stories of misconceptions that people have about insurance. And so can you highlight some of them, maybe in case you have any, or you have heard of any misconceptions?
Yes, so there are numerous misconceptions about insurance. One thing that is common, especially in our world, is that insurance is for the high net people who earn more, people who have a lot of money, people who have...
look at the example that
Okay, so...
The prices of goods and services is on the rise. You can barely save, because when you save, you even go back into the savings to spend. So thinking of insurance,
yes, so that is one. People also think that insurance is very, very expensive. Okay, so that's why they think that people who have money are the people who are supposed to go for insurance. But in actual sense, it's for the people who doesn't have. Because for you don't have. People who have, whenever there's a misfortune, they can easily get something to recover. But for you that you don't have, it's very, very difficult for you. You don't have anything. You don't have anything for all of... a lot of people always want to talk about the government to come and help them, especially when there's flood in Ghana. But if you really have an insurance policy as an individual, you can have an insurance policy as low as, let's say, 100 Ghana cedis for a year or 200 Ghana cedis for a year, covering the content in your house. So it's not that expensive that people think insurance is very, very expensive. No.
Let me add one to that. Again, people talk about mistrust. Because they do not understand the insurance products that they are buying. So more often than not, there's mis-selling outside. So for instance, someone buys an insurance and do not even understand the policy details or the policy wording. That we call it the terms and conditions.
Yeah.
So there's mistrust there. But we want to tell you that when you get time to read the terms and conditions, you are able to understand.
Which we never do.
Which we all, yes. But you're able to understand that there are certain exclusions or there are certain clauses that is in the policy wording or the policy document.
Okay.
But I must say that, yes, insurance, you must trust your insurance company.
Okay.
So that is why Coronation Insurance is there for you to trust, because one of our core values is for you to trust us. And definitely when you trust us, within that journey, we're able to supply you all your needs, and we will even put in a tailor-made product for you once you come on board.
How does it work?
So we have, just like Felix said, we have a variety of products. We have a variety of policies that we do sell to the outside market. So for instance, let me say that you want to buy a motor insurance policy. As of today, we've brought in one online channel, or let me say an online platform where you can easily go on and then buy an insurance policy. So that online platform is called the ecoronation.com.
Okay.
So for ecoronation.com, you just go there, you fill in your KYCs, that is know your customer, you fill in your vehicle registration documents or details that comprises of your vehicle registration, and then you make payments, and then at the comfort of your home, wherever you are able to get your sticker, you're able to get your policy document. You don't have any issue. Once you use the platform, you are able to, you are secured of having a genuine sticker and a genuine policy document at anywhere you go. It's just that it's an online platform. So once you are in your car, once you are in your home, pardon me for my language, if you are at the beach, you can easily buy an insurance. The platform is there. It's 24/7. It's
the comfort of wherever you find yourself.
Yes.
Technology has made it very easy.
We have made it.
Let me do it this way. Digitalization has made it easy.
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay, briefly, right? He mentioned that for as low as 100 Ghana cedis, you can be insured for a whole year. Can you please elaborate on that for me? Felix.
So, depending on the policy that you want, like a home insurance policy, looking at the content in your house.
Yes.
Okay, so if you have a content worth, like, let's say 20,000 Ghana cedis, you can pay as low as 100 Ghana cedis for a year to cover for the content in your home against fire. We talk about flood. We talk about accidental damages in your theft. So yes, but policies like motor insurance, they are very fixed by the National Insurance Regulator.
Okay.
So the prices are fixed, and I think for now the third-party premium, the list is around 482 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
That's the list. But we also have a comprehensive package which covers for own damage. That is the damage to your vehicle. It covers for theft to your vehicle. Okay. It covers for fire to your vehicle and other third-party liabilities. When you talk about third-party liabilities,
attractive.
Yes, we are talking about when you hit someone else's car or you get someone. There's one particular, offer that Coronation does, which in the industry, the insurance industry, no one does, is that when you do a comprehensive policy with us, we give you a free tracker. So this tracker, you'll be able to see the movement of your vehicle, which no other insurance company offers. So it's a very unique product that we offer when you buy, a motor comprehensive policy with us.
Okay, so I'm seeing more to win reloaded. Sheila.
Okay, so we are running a promotional sales campaign where we are telling individuals or companies that they should buy or renew insurance with Coronation.
Okay.
And we'll be giving you rewards.
Nice. And what are some of the rewards? I can see a car. I can see what? Pen drive?
So there's a pen, there's a flask, there's an umbrella.
Yes.
There are notepads.
Yes.
Yes, and all those to be there. Dusters, tissue boxes for your cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cars are not parked.
The cars are just
showing.
So
the cars are
just telling people that it's a motor insurance.
It's a motor insurance. So the cars are not part.
So the cars are not
Whether
part.
it's a private, corporate, private, commercial.
Yeah.
Yes, everyone is included. So far as it's a motor, it's a car.
Yeah.
Everyone is included. It's part of our loyalty framework. We want to reward our clients, at the end of every year, at the beginning of every year, we drive this incentive towards, ensuring that we get closer to our clients.
For how long?
Because, again, we want to have that emotional connection with our clients.
Okay.
That is why we want to reward them as at this time. And this promo is running from 1st February to 30th of April. So once
that's
30th, yes, that's enough time.
Yeah.
We are not leaving any customer behind. So we have prospective clients, existing clients. We are rewarding each and every client that comes on board. So we are ready. We are ready to ensure that once you come on board, you get any of the gift items that are on display.
Right after you have been signing on as a new client
are ready.
of Coronation Insurance. And so if somebody wants to be a part of this, how can the person do that?
Okay.
Get signed on.
So
is there a number to call?
Yes.
Okay.
So get signed on. We have our agency offices, our satellite agencies office that is across Ghana. Again, we also have, as I said, the e-Coronation, the online platform. So once you use the online platform, you just follow the details that the online platform says. That is, when you type ecoronation.com, it will just pop up, and then you fill in the KYC as well as you fill in your vehicle details. You make payments on the platform, and then you get your sticker and then your certificate on the platform.
Okay.
Again, we have a contact number that you can call for assistance. Once maybe you're having challenge or you want to find out where the nearest Coronation Insurance is. So you can call 0302 772 606.
Okay.
0302 772 606.
All right, gentlemen and lady, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for this wonderful information. And so for those of you that will be interested, Coronation Insurance Policy is here for you. And like I said, I'll be signing on, and so you better sign on too. My name is Asieduwaa Akumia, and it's time for the big interview. Rosemary Feli will be seated with Eki Adonko. Felix, thank you. Sheila, thank you. Kevin, thank you so much. Have a lovely morning.
Thank you too.